there again. This is Pat from ArrKann RV. Here's a beautiful trade unit we just got in. It's a 2014 Coleman. Well, you know the Coleman name. Great product. This one's no exception to that rule. Lots of storage across the front, big openings there, power awning. You've also got keyless entry, even stainless steel for holding the door open. Come on in and take a look. So you've got a double sink here, you've got your stove, your oven, your microwave, your fridge is back here, and then you've got your dinette and couch right across from each other. So you can put these both down into beds if you wanted to. Spot for a TV, AM, FM, CD, DVD, stereo, and then your air conditioning's roof air, and you've got room for two to comfortably sleep up here as well. Place to hang your coats, and also a spot there, closet and a shelf above too. Lots of room, nice and light, double axle, roof ladder as well, TV antenna too. Just beautiful trade, well looked after. Oh, come on in and take a look at the bathroom. You do have a tub shower combination here, porcelain toilet as well. Porcelain toilet's always nice, keeps it cleaner. Skylight in the bathroom, fan in the bathroom, medicine cabinet, good storage in there as well. It's been well cared for, as you can see. Come on in and take a look. Check it out for yourself. This is Pat at ArrKann RV.